Hey, what is going on guys? Tech Enthusiast here, and this is an Antutu benchmark comparison between the Asus ROG phone against the iPhone XS Max. So we have a higher clocked version of the Snapdragon 845 going up against the 812 Bionic, 8GB of RAM versus 4. The Asus ROG phone has X mode on, and the rest of the specs you can see on these sides. Now with that being said, let's get started. So the iPhone XS Max finished first, and overall it scored higher. In the breakdown of the categories, the iPhone XS Max scored higher for the CPU, the ROG phone just scored higher by 2 points on the GPU, and then on the UX and the memory, the iPhone XS scored higher. That wraps it up for this Antutu benchmark comparison. What did you think? Do let me know in the comment section. Now if you have enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, then please do consider subscribing, as I have more videos coming up, so make sure you hit that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I release those videos. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and like always, Thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.